Watch a video, get paid. Watch a video, make money. $2 a minute, that's $120 an hour to watch videos. Watch a video, and you don't even have to watch them. That's right, $2 a minute, $120 per hour, and you don't even have to watch the videos. But you gotta watch this video until the very end, because that's when I'm gonna reveal how this is done to make you all that money. I've got 3 different websites for you that we're gonna discuss, all gonna pay you to watch videos. But first, I need you to subscribe to Online Moneymaker. Subscribe to Online Moneymaker. Subscribe to the channel. I compel you to do it. That's right, baby. It's Online Moneymaker. Okay, first one, go to superpay.me, and just hit right here, join for free. So go superpay.me, join for free, and we are rhyming. Okay, in this one, you'll just enter your first and last name, your email, repeat the email, username, password, you know the drill. For some reason, this site wants your mailing address too. I don't think you have to put your right one in there if you don't want to. And then here, you'll enter how you want to get paid. PayPal, Payza, and Skrill. I've never heard of Payza. I know what Skrill is. Or Bitcoin. Yes, you can hit it with some Bitcoin, and you'll just agree to all these terms. You're not a robot unless you are. If you are, check it anyway and create an account. Once you're in, the home page will look like this, and one reason I love this site is because right up top here, you can see exactly how much you've earned. You got a big green cash out button right there. That'll go directly into your PayPal account, so they're not hiding any money from you here, that's for sure. So you can explore this site. They've got a lot of different ways to make money. You can start right here with the paid surveys. They've got a nice little drop down menu, and you can see there's a ton of these that you can go through. Some of them may pay good, some of them may not. To tell you the truth, I haven't even looked at these yet because we're here for other things. Let me show you one of my favorite things though. Go to Offer Walls right here, then come down to Offer Toro, which is right here. There we go. And these got some cool games on it right here. Check this out. As soon as it loads up, load up, baby. There we go. So, like, yeah, you can earn a lot of points that turn into cash for you for like these casino games right here. Cards, slots. The slot one is fun. And then they got some other games you may have heard of. I know you've heard of Monopoly. And Raid Shadow Legends, I've never heard of that. Rise of Kingdoms, never heard of that. To get to the videos, click on Offer Walls again, and all the way down at the bottom is going to be Engage Videos. Bing, right there. And a lot of different videos are going to come up that you can watch, and this is from Hideout TV, so this is legit stuff. I mean, this is like YouTube, basically. So watch any of these videos. You only have to watch it for 30 seconds at a time, and there's all these different categories you can choose from. But make sure you watch until the end, because we can hack this and make quadruple the money. So check it. It's just like YouTube. When you click on one of the videos, it just brings you to Hideout TV, which is just like YouTube. So this is one of the gaming videos. So if you're into gaming, turn that on, watch it for 30 seconds. That's it. Shut up. You're going to want to do this too if you want to make a little more money. Go hit Referrals right here, and it'll bring you to this page, and it's going to give you this referral link, and you're going to share that with your friends, okay? And you're going to make 25% of everything that they earn. So, and they're also going to give you these banners too. Like, you can just copy this code right here, make it look all professional, and get your friends to sign up. Tell them you're making like $1,000 a day doing this, okay? And then everybody's going to sign up. I'm not kidding you. Do this first though. Copy that link, okay? Just copy it and take it over to bit.ly.com, bitly.com. And we're going to shorten that link to make it look a little more professional. So check it out. So we'll paste that stupid link they gave us right there, shorten it, and that's your new link. Take that one. That's what you're going to share on your social media. It just looks better, you know? Next one you want to go to is UQBEZ.com. That's UQBEZ, or UQBEZ probably. So U-QBEZ. I'm going to say QBEZ because I like that better. What's up, QBEZ? UQBEZ.com. See, earn cash online. They'll actually also pay you out in crypto too. And Dogecoin has just landed. I have a bunch of Dogecoin. I'm one of those lucky guys that bought it about a year and a half ago when it was worth like a fraction of a cent. I made out like a damn bandit. So you're just gonna wanna sign up for your free account right here. And you know the drill here, email, confirm email, password, blah, 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 except right here when they say choose sex, you answer, yes, I choose sex. And how did you hear from us? How did you hear about us? You heard about it from Online Moneymaker! Exclamation point. So after you sign up, this is what your dashboard will look like. And to start earning money, you just have to come right here and click earn money, and then click all the way down, scroll down here, sorry, to hit, you want to hit ascend media right here to get to the videos. And it should come up, and then all the way down here, here we go. Then you just want to click on videos right here. And then they'll all be down here again. So, you know what these are all about right here. Same type of deal. Hideout TV, baby. Hideout TV's paying money. And by the way, they have their own website. So you can also sign up to their website and make money. But again, don't forget, we got a special hack at the end of this video, so do not skip ahead. Show you this fun feature this site has. Hit ad board right here, and then these cubes, these are UQBEZs, sorry. This is why UQBEZ is kind of cool. These are cubes, and you hit them, and they have special offers right there. They're gonna take you to special offers where you can earn a lot of money, okay? But if you don't wanna, you can just check out, just hover over it, and it'll show you in black there, in that black bar, what they are. So you don't even have to click on them. You don't have to waste your time. Just kind of hover over them, and you can see what they got going on. And finally, this is the one that's gonna pay you the most to watch videos online. It's called Irazu.com. Irazu.com. These are some funny names, kinda. So, you know, to get started, I think you should probably hit the little blue button right there, and then it will load and it will take you to this. You can join with Facebook, or you can join with an email, and they're gonna give you 50 free points right off the bat as soon as you verify your email, so you're gonna wanna do that, okay? And again, we're getting PayPal cash here. So this is what it will look like when you sign up. This is what your homepage will look like. They do have surveys. They do actually pay a lot for surveys, and you'll wanna go, before you do that, you'll wanna go through and create more of a profile for yourself, because they'll offer you higher paying surveys, and I'm talking like $50 for 30 minutes type of surveys. So to get to the videos and stuff, you want to click other fun stuff right here, and we can see these are all video offers right here. We can click on any of those and watch videos and get paid, and they do pay a lot. 300 points, that's like $3 per video. The games are cool too, so check this out. They got a lot of games, and it opens it up in a new window for some reason. It's kind of weird, but you can see all the games they got here. Those pay pretty well too. Okay, now you got to pay attention. If you want to make $120 per hour watching videos, that's $2 every minute, okay? You got to pay attention to me now, because I'm going to show you how to hack this. Okay, so what I'm going to show you, this should work for all three of those sites, but for this example, let's just go back to your superpay.me account, okay? We're going to go down to the videos here. Remember, at the very bottom, engage videos. So click on that, and it should come up here. And what we're gonna do is we're just gonna take the first one, gaming. Just hit that, come right back up here, start earning. And it's gonna open a new tab, and we're gonna let this video, there should be an ad first, probably. And there is. So when it lets you skip the ad, do it, then come down here to this wheel right here, pause the video, come down here to this wheel, and we want to change it down to 240 pixels right there. We want the lowest one. Okay, then you're going to let it play. Then you're going to turn the volume on your computer down, and what's going to happen when you start playing this first video here, everything in that section, we chose gaming, is going to play consecutively. So when this video ends, another one's going to start. So let this play at the lowest resolution, open up a new tab, log back into your superpay.me account, and start a different category, not the same one like gaming. You want to go to like the next one, which is like tech or whatever, and open up all the tabs you can and start playing every single one of those sections. Turn the volume down, let it run. You're going to be making $2 a minute. If you've got more devices, you can run it on all those devices, okay? And then you're making, I don't even know how much money. You're gonna be rich. So, hey, subscribe to Online Moneymaker. Thank you for watching. Like the video. Sayonara.